What's up guys, this is Tomer from sourcingmonster.com and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to share with you the latest updates and the news for Amazon FBA sellers. We'll cover one, the Amazon FBA fees that are going to go up. Second, the ERP program, the end of it, the early reviewer program, which allows you to get reviews, and I will also offer alternatives and what sellers should do from now on when there is no ERP program anymore. And the last thing is about a ship that is stuck in the Suez Canal, which creating delays for and problems with sea shippings. So we'll cover all of this. Now, before I'm moving into the video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you click the bell for getting the notifications. So for every new video that I upload related to Amazon FBA and e-commerce, you can get yourself update to your email and watch it and stay up to date. Let's start. Amazon FBAs in 2021 are going up. So if you don't know what Amazon FBA fees are, I do have a video where I explain about all type of Amazon FBA fees. We will put a link down below in the description to the video. So it can explain it further. But 2020 was one of the most successful years for sellers. That's, by the way, a letter that Amazon released. Sellers in the Amazon stores, even with the obstacle presented by the COVID-19 pandemic, from April 15th to 2020 to January 15th, 2021, independent third-party sellers, almost all small and medium-sized business, increased their Amazon sales by more than 55% year over year, and we are working hard and investing heavily to help to continue this success. So what they are doing, they are kind of making the excuses or explaining the reasons why their fees are going up, which, I think they got more business, so they got more money. So I don't think they should increase the fees, but okay, it's their decision. In 2020, we increased the square footage across our fulfillment and logistics network by 50%, opening dozens of new delivery stations and fulfillment centers around the world. We built more than 250 tools and services to help you manage and grow your business, such as the growth opportunities page to help you drive new sales, FBA liquidations to help you recover value from inventory and improve sustainability, and improved seller university courses to guide you on how to use all these new tools and services effectively. We also recognize the uncertainty that COVID-19 pandemic created for small businesses, and in December we made the decision to postpone our annual fee adjustments until the spring of 2021 to provide stability and support through what we expected would be challenging winter. While many other companies passed along costs through surcharges and fees charges in 2020, we absorbed over 5 billion in COVID-related costs on your behalf and absorbing billions more in the first half of 2021. So, it looks like they are trying to be fair with sellers. I don't know how accurate it is because they don't share how much more money they made. They only put, okay, we spent $5 more billion related to COVID because of the related, but okay, on the other hand, you did make billions of dollars revenue due to that. So why are you not sharing this? But I don't really care. Now, as vaccines are being distributed and we see a path to normalcy, our next fee adjustment in the US has been scheduled for June 1st. Most referral fees will not change, and we are making only modest increases, about 2 to 3% on average, to fulfillment fees in line with or below industry averages. We will also reduce certain fees like the return processing fee, which reflects feedback we have received from sellers and our continued efforts to reduce costs. Please review the fee change highlights below and links. So here they have like that's below, like a little chart that they put, but you can go and see the fees and exactly which categories there are if you go to Seller Central. The end of ERP program. So this is something that I really was disappointed to hear because I used it for all the products that I'm launching. The early review program, that don't really know what it is, it's basically a program that allows you to get free reviews for $60. You pay Amazon $60, which they charge you after you get the first review from the early review program. And they really give incentives to users that bought your product to leave a review. Usually these are positive and good reviews. If your product sucks and it's bad, of course you might get like bad reviews. Now, if for those that want to see how I get ton of reviews, I'll put a link below in the description to a video that I share my experience, results, real numbers on how I get reviews from how I'm getting reviews for my products. I have some products with more than 3,000 reviews. Reviews and ratings, it's combined. But this is their letter that they sent. As of March 10, 2021, we will no longer allow new enrollments in the early reviewer program and will stop offering the service to sellers currently enrolled in the program on April 25. You will not be charged for any reviews for enrolled products that are published after this date, and you will not be charged for the service if the program has not generated any reviews for your business. Amazon will return your program fee within 3 months after the program closure date for any active enrollments with more than one review and not completed by April 25. So this is the letter that they sent, an email that I got to my email. Where is it? Open it maybe like that. Yeah. So that's the letter. So what will be the effect of it? Sellers would have to find other ways on how to generate Amazon reviews for their product. So you can watch again this video, but here there are a couple of alternatives. Post-purchase email. So you can basically send, after the order is delivered, a customized message to the customer with asking for non-biased review. It worked for me great in the past. Now it doesn't work as good as it was before, but you can try it and see and judge by yourself. While reviews, so leverage social media and websites. So while reviews on Amazon are ideal, many shoppers still use social media and direct websites to inform their buying decisions. Brands can use social media to engage your community, which helps motivate repeat buyers to leave reviews on Amazon. Brands can also quote reviews from Amazon and social media on their direct website to engage shoppers conducting research outside of the marketplace. So what you can do, and I do it, I use Amazon reviews on my own Shopify store. I did import them. Third thing and option, Vine program. So if you have a brand registry, you can use the Vine program, which allows you to get 30 reviews for free. It's not technically for free because you give the products for free and then you get in exchange a review. And the reviews there are not that great, but it's a way to get the reviews, up to 30 reviews. You can also use inserts for asking for non-biased review. So obviously you ask for non-biased, but you create a kind of a good experience that will lead them to leave a positive review. And the last news that we have is about the massive cargo ship that becomes stuck in the Canal Suez. Here is an article that I found. Massive cargo ship becomes wedged block Egypt Suez Canal. So for those that don't really know, this ship was stuck in the canal, and this canal is one of the important canals in the world that really help the trade of and transportation of cargo between continents. It's mainly used to deliver and move cargo between Asia to Europe. So to us US sellers, it's not going to affect a lot, but for me, where I sell in Europe, it's going to affect it. Already now, the delivery day, it's like 60 days for sea shipping, which is crazy. But it is what it is, and it's blocking and creating more issues. Before that, we had massive problems, and it's still on with containers. There are so many ports that have conjunctions, and they have so many delays, and they can't really bring the containers back to China. So there is really shortage of containers, making the prices go very high and up. So these are the latest news that I have to share with you, Amazon FBA sellers. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this concept of me sharing news and creating video around the latest updated news, let me know and I will create more of those videos. For now, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, because it helped me reach more people and help more people. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.